I hope you're fine now, and today like be one of my friend asking me please making on video this English language. So today I will be explain to you how to be complete to be this game, the parachute game about making videos. So just I request you be end of watching this video because many of people sometimes not to be telling to you about this game, how to complete to be this game major depth. Why I'm asking to you be carefully end of watching this video because this is the big reason I will be explain you how to be complete to be this game major depth, because I will be give you truly strategy how to complete to be this game, because one of the member he working on this application, so he like be when he download this game and he not to be understand how to complete to be this meters, he when he coming, so then he just only purchasing depth and he nothing more know about this game. But I will be explain you everything about this game, what you like strategy starting now, and then you will be easily complete to be this game meters. So please request you be end of watching this video because I will be explain you how to be complete to be this meters. So let's start this video, and please request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you will be support me. I need it to your support. If I will be helping to you, so you always be supporting me. So let's start this video, and I hope you will be like and share comments on my video. Okay guys, I'm be already download this game, and I will be explain you how to be complete to be this game meter depth, because some of people not to be telling about this game. So guys, everything so much easily now because this is the more important options today, like we explain you how to be complete to be this game. So guys, this is the starting heights. This mean like be this is the name meters starting height. Okay, this is the meters. Maybe some of people not to be understand what is this. So this is the meters, depth meters, everything. Okay, and this is the back size. Back size the more important for you because many of people sometimes not to be understand what is this. This is the back size. Back size meaning like be if you have more back size, so you will be more earn coins, because this time I will be starting game after 1 hour to be just try to be playing this game and like we understand how to be complete to be this meter depth, because many of people sometimes not to be understand how to complete to be starting meters height. So guys, first of all you will be purchasing back size. Back size, this is the more important for you because many of people not to be know about these options. Checking this time I have 26,610 coins I will be purchasing this time. This like the back size 30 no, because if you more purchasing this back size and you will be more earn skills, because my wish to be explain you everything to be easily, because some of people not to be understand how to be complete to be this game meters, but I will be explain you how to be complete to be this game, because this is the more important for you how to complete to be this game meters. And before listen me, here be also options available on the X3 add the watch the video. On here options available now, X3 ads watch the video, because this is the more important for you this option, because if you watching one of the ads then you will be coins triple coins or no, because many people like be ignore this is the my talk. Why he not know, but when he starting he play like be watching ads like be 30 to 50 seconds, then he easily to complete to be your meters. But when you will be starting this game, you will be purchasing first of all back size, because back size the more important for you. If you have more back size, so you will be more and coins to be easily more queen easily. And before you will be watching X3 ads the watch the video. So you see only when I have purchased one of the back size, so you will see like this is my score, and you will be easily to be more earn queen if you have the back more size. if have back size more. So this is the more important option. So I hope you will be first of all purchasing this back size maximum to 40 to 50, and then you will be starting this game. And before also to be actually watch the video, then you will be easily to complete to be this game. And this is the strategy, and I hope you will be understand. So thank you so much for you watching my video.